right, number 14. They ask us, excuse me, they ask us to plot these points and to find the perimeter and the area of the polygon with those vertices. So I've got 5, -1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -1. I've got 5, 6, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've got 2, -1, and I've got 2, 6. This one is kind of nice, right? So if I'm actually looking at the graph, I've got 3 units right here, and 3 right here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 here. Okay, so my perimeter is just walking these all around, right? 3 plus 7 plus 3 plus 7, that gives me 10 plus 10 is 20. So that's my perimeter. The area then, length times width, is 3 times 7, which is 21. And this would be units squared, and this would just be units. All right, number 15. Find the perimeter and the area of this polygon. It's only got 3 vertices, so we know that it is a triangle. So we have E, which is 6, -2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. There's E. F is 6, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here's F. And G is oh, thank you. I'm sure some of you said bless you, even though this is a video. Okay, -1, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So here's my triangle. All right. So right here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units. Right here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units. How many units do I have right there? Well, I need to use the distance formula to find that out. So remember, the distance formula is the square root of the difference of my x's squared plus the difference of my y's squared. All right, and I am doing this from E to G. Okay, so I'll just rewrite that right here. E to G, because it's also a little bit easier to see. So, right here, I've got 6 minus a -1, which makes that positive, squared, plus -2 minus 5 squared. So this is 7 squared is 49, plus -2 minus 5 is -7. -7 squared is 49. So I have the square root of 98. So that is my distance right here. So if I add these together, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and make this into a decimal. So the square root of 98 is about 9.9. So I add these all together. So my perimeter is 7 plus 7 plus 9.9, which gives me 23.9. And then 1/2 length times width. So my area is 1/2 length times width. So that's 1/2 7 times 7, which is 49 halves. And 49 halves is 24.5. And this, of course, again, would be units, and this would be units squared. Okay, your test, I'm going to be sending out a test. I'll give you more details about that on Canvas. Your test will not be exactly like this. Obviously, I got this from the book. The test is not in the book, so it's not going to be exactly like this, but you're going to have time to do it. So I'm not too worried about you. All right, if you have any questions, make sure you ask. Thanks.